Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix contact posters not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know that iOS 18 is officially released by Apple, but after updating to it, many of you are complaining that you are facing an issue of contact posters, that your contact posters are not working on your iPhones and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix contact posters not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first and simple step is to foreclose and relaunch the phone app. One of the simplest solution you can employ to fix any app related issue on your iPhone is to first close and relaunch the app. Simply open the app and then close it and try opening it again. After this, and if do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After this, then if do is simply make sure the name and photo sharing is enabled. Another possible reason why contact poster may fail to appear on your iPhone could be that the user might have accidentally disabled the name and photo sharing for their contacts poster. You see, this option allows users to pick whether or not they want to share their contact poster with everyone. So you have to make sure that it's enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix contact posters not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.